Yo, what's up YouTube? It has been a while since we've done a video, but we are in Tampa, Florida, and we're doing a master bathroom. And we're going to take all these plain walls throughout this whole bathroom, and we're going to transform them into this beautiful finished Venetian plaster. So stay tuned. What's up? Today is day 2 of this beautiful transformation of this bathroom, and yesterday we put our texture coat on. So today we're going to be pulling all this tight and we're going to burnish it. That way we can shine it up a little bit before our top coat. So yesterday our texture coat, as you can see, we put a lot of movement in here. We wanted to make it look really like stone. So that's why we put all this movement in here. And now we're gonna put our second coat on. We've done a little bit right here, as you can see. We haven't burnished it yet, but this is what the second coat looks like. This is a pull tight, a full coverage, and that way all our texture is gonna peek through all these movements as we burnish it, and it's really gonna make it look really, really beautiful. So I just want to explain a little bit about when we pull it tight. All it means is we're just going to take this coat and we're going to press on it. And some more. And we're just going to pull it real tight. It's nice. You got to put some pressure on it. Make sure you get it all of the excess off. You want to pull it tight. Always go in circular motions. There's a lot of arm strength to get this thing nice. You see how it's nice and tight? And then you can leave a little bit so when we burnish it, it's going to pull all the excess off, but it dries up and gets that nice finish. And then you get all the texture spots in between it. Just show you the difference between a burnished wall and a non-burnished wall. This wall we just got done coating, we're about to burnish it, but the difference you can see is this right here, all our texture and stuff. When we run this over like this, it hits all those points, all the high spots, and it makes it start shine up and get a little darker. That way you have like almost a stone effect on it. And this wall right here, we haven't burnished it yet, but you can see it's just one color. That's because when it hits the highs, it burnishes it and makes the color more vibrant. Our texture is dry, the second coat's dry. I just want to show you the difference in what we're talking about when I talk about burnishing and how the texture comes out. So check this out, a little bit up close personal. You can see all the textures and how you can see right here where it's darker, all these little patterns and stuff. that's underneath. So once we put the second coat on and we pull it tight and then we start burnishing, it hits all these little spots and gives it a little bit of shine on top of it. This is what makes it look like stone. It really looks authentic. So now we're over here. Now we're starting our rust on. This stuff is the beauty part. You can see right here, we got a little metallic going on. We just add it with a sponge. We just put it on like this and go in circular motions. That way it gives it that beautiful shine, makes it really pop. So then you can see the little rough spots, all the texture of where it's catching and where it's not. It's because all the texture underneath. When we burnish it, it creates these rough spots in some places, and then it gives it that nice shiny part on top, and that's really catches the rust on. So all we're gonna do now is just put this on with a sponge. We just go in circular motions all over it. And this stuff is not tinted. You see right there, it's pretty stuff. Beautiful. It's like a transparent glaze that goes over top and makes this thing really come to life. Came to an end of our video and our project. As you can see how beautiful Venetian plaster is and how it transforms any bathroom, any wall in this beautiful texture. So what we did was we put our first coat was a textures coat. That was our first day. We skip troweled it, then we put movement in it. That way you get this beautiful appearance. Then we put our second coat on, which is full coverage. It just pull it tight. And then we take our burnishing trowel and then we put some burnishing on it. That way it shines it up and it helps the texture pop through and gives it these different dark areas over the light areas. And then after that, today we put on a Ruston metal. That way it gives it that metallic appearance, the pearl essence of this whole bathroom, and what really brings out that beautiful finish. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out for more projects on all our Venetian plaster. Until next time.